Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a very brief video on a 2025 Nautique G25. Starting here on the transom of the boat, we do have our seats on either side. Great spot to hang out when you're anchored. Nice center walkthrough into the boat, non-skid, all over the place so that you're not stepping on your upholstery getting on and off the boat. So we make our way inside here in the cockpit area. We have tons of storage underneath all the seats. Sahara sand on the upholstery looks really sharp with the Centennial black metal flake on the exterior. And then also our seat here that folds back. You can sit back and relax and watch all the action behind the boat. Tower speakers, strapless board racks here that do swivel in and out. And then our tower is manual and it lays down flat. And this also has the bimini top and boot with surf pockets. Making our way inside here. A lot of room for a 25-foot boat. It's rated for 19 passengers, so you can take all your friends and family out in the lake this summer. Ergonomically really sound. When you're riding on these boats, you have great visibility. Our link pen array screen up here, so you can adjust all your ballast and wave shape, surf left, surf right. Very accessible at the helm. Nautique makes it really easy for everyone to operate. And as we make our way up to the bow here, you can see we have our bow filler cushion, armrest on either side. Have your nice pillows, great spot to hang out and relax. And this is a 2025 Nautique G25. It's here at our store in Rogers. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else that we have in stock, please give us a call or stop on by. Thanks.